Hello dear friend, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can find block list in your Telegram apps. Okay, so if you blocked someone and when you think that you want to unblock them again, so how can you find the block list in your Telegram apps? After watching this tutorial you will learn easily. So now let's begin the tutorial. Here you can see your Telegram apps. Just click on your Telegram apps, and after that what you need to do, just click three line the top right, sorry, top left corner. Here you can see option, click on that, and after that uh, click here settings, this one, click settings, and after that scroll down a little bit, then you can see here privacy and security. Okay, this one, just click on that, and you can see the first one, block user, this one. So click on